Come test drive the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.